Thank you for joining today's video. Today we are going to be talking about backup scanning for malware. This would be part of the advanced security pack, and we can scan backups that are hosted within the Acronis Cloud location. Just want to give you kind of that information up front. The way you would set up a backup scanning plan, once you have a device that is backing up to the Acronis Cloud with the advanced security packet enabled, you would go under management, and then you would select the backup scanning section underneath management. From there, you would hit create a protection plan. Then it's going to go give you the options, right? So scan type is going to be cloud storage because that's what it needs to be by default. Then we're going to hit backups to scan. We're going to browse for the machine within the cloud storage that you want to select. So for example, let's do the AAA admin. Let's grab this machine here, hit done, then we'll select it here, hit done again. So we can select that machine as the machine that we want to scan backups from. We're going to scan for malware. If that machine has backups that are encrypted, we can basically input the encryption password here. So that way we can scan it appropriately. Schedule is going to be automatic. And what that means is basically when the backups are pushed to that cloud location, they get scanned immediately upon basically the creation of that backup. So as the backups go to that cloud location, they're automatically scanned. So that way, when you go to restore, you have a checkbox that says safe restored or a safe spot to recover from. Once you hit create, it's going to create that backup scanning plan and you are good to go. It runs automatically. Thank you for joining today's video, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.